How to write an attractive Bumble bio for yourself. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to write an attractive Bumble bio, head over to your profile settings. Tap on this profile icon in the bottom left. Select this complete profile option. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down and find this bio section. Tap on this bio section field. If you want to write an attractive Bumble bio, you need to focus on showcasing your personality. You can use the humor, but you have to keep it concise, positive, and unique. You can highlight what makes you special and sparking curiosity. So you can consider creating a playful game in order to engage the potential matches. You can use playful language and don't be afraid to be funny. Maybe you can write something like, you can customize your bio according to you. You can add your own flavor into it, but you need to focus on things that I've said before. So that's how you can easily create an engaging Bumble bio for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.